Welcome to all of you, my online class DARBHANGA live classes. Today again I am here with a new question from Standard 8, Exercise 11.1, Chapter Mensuration. This is question number 3 here, which you can see here now. I'm ready to solve and I'm going to give the link in description box of question number 1 and 2. Please watch that also. Okay, let's go to start now. What question he used to speak about? The question is saying the shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle, which you can see this part is a garden, which you can see here now. I'm going to indicating you this part. This is a garden, okay, which you can see in the middle part, which looks like a rectangular, which you can see here now. In the middle part, it looks like a rectangular and semicircular at the ends. Semicircular at the end. Both side you can see there is a semicircle there. What is semicircle? Let's go to tell you first of all. And then after what happened in the diagram which you can see. So we have to find the area and the perimeter of this garden. So we have to find the perimeter and the area of this garden. So let's go to start first of all. So as I said you, semicircle is there. What is semicircle? First of all, you know what is a circle. So there is a circle first of all that you know. What is a circle? A circle is the collection of all the points which are equal distance from a fixed points from this one. So from this point, maybe this is a center which I have taken as a O, and over that all around there is a equal distance. Whatever points will be there by this line, what happened? All the points are going to be collect together, and then this kind of shape is going to be formed. So this shape is called a circle. But when we bisect this circle into two equal parts, then what happened? Each part is called its semicircle. What's called that? This is also called semicircle. Means a circle is divided into two equal parts. That's called semicircle, right? So semicircle, which you can see here now. Now you can see from this point center, there is a line which used to be lies on the part of the circle. You can say a line which will be used to be there also, which you can see here also. So that is equal distance from everywhere, which you can see that all length is equal, and this is called the radius of that, right? This is called the radius of that. So in this figure also you can see one thing. So that's given the distance of from here to here, the measure is given 7 meter. So it means this is all about 7 meter. And if suppose that if it will be the point that is 0, which I have taken here, then what happened? This will equal to this, and from there whatever distance will be there, that will be also equal. So that is the what's called that radius of that. So all together, if it is 7 meter, then what will be the half of this? That will be, so this is all together is called its diameter. So you will write first of all here given, first of all write there given diameter, okay, of semicircle. How much is given? Diameter. Diameter means all together. This is a line segment which used to lies any 2 points of a circle which used to pass through the center. Okay, that's called diameter. So that's given 7 meter. It's clear. 7 meter is given. So half of that is called its radius because of half of that. So radius of that will be what? Radius of semicircle will be what? 7 by 2. That means 3.5 centimeter. Then it will be 3.5 meter. Look at this matter. So if it is 3.5, then this will be also 3.5. So distance from here to here will be 3.5. Similarly, it will be the same. Both sides same. So this will be distance is 3.5, right? But you can see all together from here to there, all gardens length is given 20 meter. So the length of only the rectangular part, you can say the rectangular shape part is there. That will be what? 20 is all together minus 3.5 this side and 3.5 this side. All together will be 7. That will be 13, right? So that is all given. So we will find out also here these things, okay? Then you will find out the length of the rectangular part of the garden. Look at this. rectangular part of the garden. So altogether the total length is given 20 meter, altogether 20 meter. So you will write there first of all 20 meter minus what will be there, both side the distance from here to here you can see 3.5 plus there also 3.5. So if I'm going to add these two and if you subtract from 20 meter, then definitely you can find out the length of this rectangular part is there. So we can find out 20 minus 3.5, 3.5, that will be 7. It will be how much? 13 meter. So 13 meter is the length of that rectangular part of this of the garden, and the breadth will be the altogether of this, right? This will be the breadth of that, and breadth of the rectangular garden will be what? What it will be? So breadth of the rectangular garden will be, which you can see here now, that's given already. The breadth of the rectangular garden will be what? That is 7 meter. Clear? So we have to find out now. So we have to find the area of this garden now. So will be what? Area of this garden will be area of rectangular part plus, because of two semicircle is there, area of two semicircles. Okay, so what is the area of the rectangular part will be there? The rectangular part will be what? L into B, and plus area of a semicircle will be what? Pi r square, and because of the 2 is there, so it will be by 2, but there will be semicircle divided by 2, because of area of a circle is pi r square, but area of semicircle, that will be the half of that, the area of semicircle will be pi r square by 2, and because of 2 semicircle will be there, so it will be pi r square 2. So 2 cancel will be. Now what is left now? Put this value over there. So we will put the value here, then it will be what? Length we have got, that is 13, and the breadth is given 7. So plus, and the value of pi value is given, that's is going to be 27 by 7. That's all we have to know. 22 upon 7 into radius of this circle is how much given? 3.5 only. So 2 times you will write 3.5 into 3.5, you may get the answer now. It will be 13 7 ja 91 plus 7 5 ja 35.5 will be there. Now you will multiply and you will get the, if you will multiply all these, you will get 38.50, and so you can get all together, if you will add this 8 1, it will be 9, and 3 9 12, 129.50 meter square will be the area of this part or of the garden. So let's go to find out now the perimeter of the garden, because here is given we have to find the perimeter also. So let's go to find out the perimeter of the garden. Okay, let's, now we have to find the perimeter of this figure. So perimeter we have to find, then what happened? You can write there perimeter of the garden will equal to, what happened? Will equal to perimeter of rectangular part plus perimeter of two semicircle, both two semicircle. There will be minus 2, because of this part comes in semicircle also and rectangular part also. So at least in one only we will take. So if I have taken already in rectangular part, then definitely what happened? Both side this diameter we have to subtract. So minus 2 diameter we have to subtract this. Then in this way we can get it all these things. First of all, perimeter we have to find. Then in this case what happened? Perimeter of the rectangle we will find out. The rectangle, obviously what happened when we find that this all part is going to become in that that will be 2 into L plus B, right? And plus semicircle, because of the perimeter of the circle is given what? Perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r, but the semicircle of the perimeter of the two semicircle will be what happened? Pi r, 2 pi r by 2 plus pi r 2 pi r by 2, so it will be only 2 pi r. But in this what happened, 2 pi r also this diameter comes in both, so it will be the perimeter of two semicircle will be what? Pi r, okay, plus pi r. Because of the semicircle, perimeter of the semicircle is pi r only, the pi r it will be 2 pi r. But in this case what happened, when we are taking is a pi r, that time this part is also comes in that, because of the in pi r what happened, this diameter also comes, but this diameter already has come in rectangular part, so somehow what happened, we have to take only one time only now. That's why what happened in this case, what happened, 2 into diameter stand for d, I have to subtract. So let's go to find out what will be the answer. It's going to be checked that. So you will see that 2 into L is given in this, how much came? 13, and breadth came like a 7 that we have taken, and pi r we can write there 2 pi r, no problem. So it can be 2 into pi stand for 22 upon 7, radius for this will be 3.5, and minus 2 into diameter is 7, so 2 into 7 will be subtract. Look at this now, 2 into 13 into 13 plus 7 will be 20 plus 7 5 ja 35, so it will be 22 2 ja 44 into 0.5 minus 7 2 ja 14, that will be there. We have to clear this all now, we have to, so what will be here now, 22 ja 40 and plus here will be what, 22.0 minus 14. So first of all you will add these two, it will be 6, it will be 02, it will be 2, and that will be 62 minus 14, altogether will be what, 48 meter. So perimeter of this garden is 48 meters square, which we have got the answer. That will be your answer. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and do the needful. Thank you.